little minions, it's me, Bo Shevasu. I test and review all sorts of fun, fantastic things. If you have ever wanted to have a thermal printer, well, I'm going to show you not only on these nice little labels, but also a 6x4 type label. And this one comes right out of here. This is the unboxing. I'm also going to have another video actually showing how to set this thing up. But in case you're wondering what cables actually come in this thing, I'm going to be putting this out on my filthy desk because I have cats who walk all over the place in their little muddy paws, and I need to clean this up later. Anyway, it looks like we have a standard USB cable that's going to be plugging into the back, which is right there. And then, of course, also the power cable. There's the rocker switch on and off like so. Of course, nothing is plugged in quite yet. We're gonna, okay, that will be the power cable, which goes into this section right here. And then this will go right into the back, easy enough. And then lastly, it also comes with some handy little test pieces of paper. That's really, really cool. Awesome. Oh, wait. Okay, there goes the flash drive. That's okay. I have a Mac computer and I'm going to be downloading this software anyway, and I'm going to show you exactly how to download this and connect it to your Mac. You don't even need the flash drive that has just disappeared into oblivion. Okay, so that is basically it, what comes in here. Also, it does come with a manual, but you don't care about that. Now, let's hop right into this, shall we? Oh, spoiler alert, it actually was not a flash drive, it's a USB-A to USB-C adapter. The flash drive is actually right here, but once again, that's okay because odds are you're going to be automatically downloading the drivers anyway and all the software that allows your computer to talk with the printer, and you probably won't even need this anyway, but that's just a nice little addition.